10 sinful desserts you won't believe are made without sugar. These brilliant pastries are entirely liberal, to the point that you will not understand that they contain no sugar. These sugar-free plans utilize dry foods grown from the ground, organic products to bestow normal pleasantness or better sugar options like jaggery or honey. It's difficult to oppose a sweet treat, yet they frequently make us liable as well. The heaps of refined sugar used to make them enticing winds up adding undesirable calories to our day, leaving the gauging scale tipping onto some unacceptable side. We've simplified life for you. Presently, you don't need to abandon your beloved desserts or battle those desires. These superb pastries are liberal to the point that you will not understand that they contain no sugar. These sugar-free plans utilize dry foods grown from the ground, organic products to confer normal pleasantness or better sugar choices like jaggery or honey. A few plans might utilize sugar substitutes like stevia, however you can thoroughly get rid of them and the treat will be comparably delectable. 1 hot paneer sandish pudding. A reviving treat made with curds, warm flavors like cloves, cardamom, and cinnamon, and some new natural products. 2 sugar-free rice pudding. This beautiful rice pudding utilized a sugar substitute, yet you can thoroughly manage without it, as the pleasantness of coconut milk and delicious pineapple made into a compote more than compensate for it. 3 mocha and prune cheesecake. A wanton and velvety cheesecake seasoned with espresso. The formula utilizes prunes to add pleasantness. The mixed taste makes this an additional one uncommon. 4 nutty chocolate cake. A rich and soggy chocolate cake with honey and bunches of crunchy dry organic products. This cake is really simple to make and most certainly better than the one you'd purchase from the store. 5 blueberry pie. A pie without sugar? You're not dreaming, it is valid. This wonderful looking pie is improved with blueberries, new strawberries, and some normal agave nectar. 6 fig mousse. This pastry leaves a waiting sweet character on your sense of taste. It has no sugar, simply the normal pleasantness of figs that seasons the sensitive pastry. 7 organic products with silken tofu. A basic yet amazing pastry. Place some slashed occasional natural products in a bowl and top with rich pureed tofu to make a pudding. 8 ragi coconut laddu. You can make these healthy and scrumptious laddus and store them for those unexpected sweet yearnings. They are sound as they are made with regined coconut and delectable as well. This formula utilizes jaggery as a sugar, which is additionally great to warm your body during winters. 9 custard apple kheer. A rich kheer made with custard apples, jaggery, coconut milk, and nuts. This sweet is ideally suited for a festival. 10 pumpkin oats cake. Partake in this sound cake made with pumpkin, oats, nuts, and jaggery with your evening cup of tea. It is not difficult to discard sugar as long as you are prepared to explore, yet you really want to do it steadily and not just quit. Attempt these sugar-free plans at home, assuming you feel enlivened to take the jump. Hello everyone, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and press the bell button so you can get the latest information from my video. Thank you and happy watching.